In this video, we'll learn about the hydrate number concept. So number of water molecules associated with each molecule of gaseous component included in the hydrate is known as the hydrate number. I'm repeating again, number of molecules, water molecules that are associated with each molecule of gaseous component included in the hydrate is known as the hydrate number. It means that since water is the host molecule and this gaseous molecule is the guest molecule, so host, there are cages, it means large number of water molecules are there for one gaseous molecule. So hydrate number, how much gaseous molecules, water molecules are associated for the gaseous molecules. So this is one example, CH4.6H2O. It means that these 6 water molecules, these host molecules basically form the cage to entrap the methane. So we can say the hydrate number of this given molecule is 6. The second important thing is that since different number of guest molecules can enter the water lattice and stabilize it into the hydrate, that is the important thing. Not all the molecules make the stabilized hydrated structure. So sometimes in this cage, rather than methane, there are some other molecules enter and that make the hydrate. So therefore, no specific hydrate number can be given for a particular hydrate. We cannot say that okay, that will be the stable one, that will be the fixed one. So there are chances of changes depending on the some other type of molecules. That's why we normally take the average values. So we'll also show that average value. So the second term, that is a limiting hydrate number. So that basically helps about. It is a theoretical quantity determined using the size of the gas molecules and the size of the voids in the water lattice. Means the size of the cage and size of the gas molecules. With the help of these two informations, we can guess that it's a totally theoretical value. We can guess that what should be the hydrate number for that one. So say for example, for the structure 1, the limiting hydrate number is 5.75 for the smallest gases like methane. So for the methane, it should be a 5.75. It's a theoretical value, and for the medium size gases like ethane and other one, it should be the 7.66 molecules. What it means that for the one methane, there are 5.75 water like this one. So obviously 5.75 molecules of water is not possible. So CH4 into 6H2O. For this one, C2H6 8H2O. Since 7.66 is not the whole value, so like this we can say that this is the hydrate number for these one. This is the limiting values. So for the largest molecule associated with the structure 2, the limiting hydrate number is 17. Means the large molecule dot 17H2O. So this is basically the concept of hydrate number. This is one example for methane. I told you that limiting one is 5.75, then becomes 6. So CH4 6H2O. Ethane, so it is 7 points like this one 66, so that becomes 8. So C2H6 8 molecule 8H2O. For propane it's a 17 because it is a large one. This is isobutane 17, nitrogen 6 is smaller one, carbon dioxide 6 is smaller one, hydrogen sulfide 6 is smaller one. So all these methane and nitrogen and carbon dioxide, sulfur, all these have 5.75 limiting number, that becomes 6 for the actual values. Normal butane does not form, it is unstable. Does form the hydrate, but it is unstable. So we are not considering the normal butane, although the isobutane form the stable hydrates. Paraffin higher than the butane do not form the hydrates. So overall, these are the few basic hydrates possible for the natural gas hydrate. So this is all about the gas hydrate and their and its number. Thank you.